How to adjust brightness on laptop. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, you'll find battery like option below. Click on it and swipe it right to turn on brightness, which is increase brightness. To decrease brightness, swipe it to the left. Or simply you'll find FN key on your keyboard. Click on FN key and together press F6 as well, which will increase your brightness. To decrease your brightness, simply click on FN and F5 together. Your brightness will be decreased. This is how to adjust brightness on laptop. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.